Eating with the seasons refers to consuming local foods near where you live that are harvested during peak growing times of the year, but not in the way you might think. You do this by tailoring how you eat based on the availability of locally grown, ripe seasonal produce. Eating this way offers several benefits for both your health and the environment. Here is what happens when you eat with the seasons each year. Nutrient-rich produce. Seasonally available fruits and vegetables are typically harvested at their peak ripeness, which means they are more likely to be rich in nutrients and vital living enzymes. They provide you with an abundant range of essential nutrients, probiotics, and antioxidants that are necessary to live healthy and free of disease. Varied diet. When you eat the seasons, you'll consume a wider variety of nutrient-dense foods throughout the year. This diversity ensures you receive a broader spectrum of key living nutrients, as different fruits and vegetables each offer a unique nutritional profile. Fresher and tastier food. When you choose to eat local seasonal produce, you're more likely to get food that is fresher, as it doesn't have to travel long distances or be stored for extended periods. Freshly harvested fruits and vegetables have superior flavor and texture, making meals more flavorful and delicious. Supporting local agriculture. Opting for seasonal produce in your area supports neighboring farmers and the local economy. When buying regionally grown food, you reduce the carbon footprint associated with long-distance transportation and help sustain local farming communities. Reduced environmental impact. Eating locally with the seasons decreases the energy required for long-haul trucks and planes and the need for artificial growing methods like greenhouses. Sourcing foods locally is simply better for the planet, cost-effective. When you buy local food, it's more affordable since food supplies are higher during peak harvest times. By selecting fruits and vegetables that are in season, you are making healthy choices while at the same time saving money. To eat the seasons, familiarize yourself with all the different fruits and vegetables that are grown and harvested in your local and immediate area during each annual growing season. To find a variety of local in-season ripe and delicious foods, refer to seasonal produce guides or visit local farmers markets and food co-ops. Many small family-owned sustainable farms will even offer free tours, just for the asking. Incorporating seasonal living fruits and vegetables into a raw vegan meal plan and trying out different vegan recipes is smart and healthy. Enjoying the benefits of eating fresh, nutritious, and sustainable food throughout the year means you will look better and feel better year-round. Thanks for watching. And as always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. That way you'll know every time we upload a new health and nutrition video here on this channel. See you next time. Raw foods work.